Hello and welcome. This is Design with Lacing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make image move in CapCut. To do this, first you have to tap on the new project. Just when you tap on that, you are going to select the image you want to use or the video you want to use. For this tutorial, I am going to use this video. Select the video. Now tap on add at the bottom side here. Tap on the add and your video will be added as a new project like this. Now to make this video, this applies to video and images also. To make this move, this is what you are going to do. You will take your playhead. This vertical line is called playhead. Take it to the beginning of your video like this, or the point where you want your video to start moving from, or you want your video to start zooming from. Take it to that point. Select the video layer. Now tap on this keyframe icon to add a keyframe at this position. We are going to add a keyframe. When you tap on that, you will see a red dot here indicating that there is a keyframe. Now move your playhead to the last part of this video, to the ending side of this video. Now tap on this keyframe icon to add another keyframe. After adding this keyframe, then you use your finger on your screen to zoom it out, or you can zoom it in just like this. Now in between this keyframe, your video will start moving. Let's play this and see the outcome. Now you see the cool effect in our video. Instead of our video being a still video, it gives it that kind of zooming effect, and it's as simple as this, using keyframe to make your video move or you make your image move. I'll see you in my next video.